So guys, when I see this picture where dey my screen, so this video wey just dey play for my screen, so now MC Mbakara wife lolo Mbakara. So this video don dey go viral for inside social media about this cloth when you wear, this net with pant and brazier when you wear. So a lot of people don dey talk for inside this matter, say why she go wear this kind of thing come out as a married woman. But before I go into this matter, let me first of all greet my people. I greet you according to your time, wherever you are watching me for. Please give me like and love. Share this video for me. And don't forget to drop your comments on the comment section. Thank you, my people. So, this video don dey go viral where we say, a lolo Mbakara wear this net, say one usually won't wear am like this, go beach. One, una know say these people, this family is a family that I love so much. I love this this husband and wife in short. I love them so much. I really love them, the way they do things, the way the man supports the woman, the way the woman supports the man. That is how family grow. Una know say they be content creator, secondly. Thirdly, this our generation where we dey because of civilization, 21st century, so our married women don dey naked dey waka, they no care. All because of 21st century civilization. As a married woman wey lolo be, no matter say na content she's trying to create,